gi piny owacho to kideka ketho nyithindo mathoth mokalo. Lipodno nogol gi duol ma Nakada ma bende wacho ni thoth jo Kenya sani tiyo gi yedhe ma mero ji asasa kod thoth jogi ma gin rowere kind higni 16 nyaka 40. Lipodno nogol e nyasi ma duol ma Nakada manoyuorie kod jagoro mongirore e migawo mar arita Raymond Omolo.
The findings of this study indicate that 1 in every 6 Kenyans aged 15 to 65 years, which is equivalent to over 4.7 million, are currently using at least one substance of abuse such as alcohol, tobacco, cannabis, prescription drugs, heroin, or cocaine. And the survey also shows that alcohol is the most widely used substance in Kenya. It's a major concern that the number of people currently using cannabis has increased by 90% in the last 5 years. Minimum age of initiation or of initiating the use of substance abuse is 6 to 8 years. These are kids who barely know anything, but they're already partaking or being initiated into substance abuse. This therefore calls for employment of strategies to mitigate effects of drug abuse. These include enhanced collaboration between the national and county governments in the licensing of alcohol.